Welcome back to our favorite channel, 361 Degrees. Hopefully we are all always healthy and facilitate all daily activities. Alright, this time we will discuss a video about building construction work. Have a good time watching. Building construction is the process of creating physical structures such as buildings, bridges, and other facilities. It involves a wide range of activities, from planning and designing to the actual construction, installation, and finishing of the structure. Building construction is one of the most essential activities in the world, as it provides us with shelter, housing, and workspaces. The construction industry is a vital part of the economy, providing employment and contributing to economic growth. The construction of buildings is a complex and challenging process that requires careful planning, attention to detail, and expertise in many different areas. The construction process typically begins with site selection and analysis, where the site is evaluated for its suitability for construction. This includes assessing the soil type, topography, availability of utilities, and environmental factors such as flooding or earthquakes. Planning and design. The first step in building construction is planning and design. This involves working with architects and engineers to create detailed plans for the structure. The plans will include the size and shape of the building, as well as the materials that will be used. The plans will also include the location of doors, windows, and other features. The design process is essential to ensure that the building will meet the needs of its intended use. For example, if the building is a commercial office space, the design will need to incorporate spaces for desks, cubicles, meeting rooms, and other office features. If the building is a residential home, the design will need to include bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and other living spaces. Planning and design are critical stages in building construction. The success of a construction project depends largely on the quality of planning and design, as it sets the direction and scope of the project. Here are some essential aspects to consider during the planning and design phase of building construction. 1. Purpose and function. The first step in planning and design is determining the purpose and function of the building. Is it a residential or commercial building? Will it be used as an office, a retail space, or a manufacturing facility? The purpose and function of the building will dictate its size, layout, and materials used. 2. Site analysis. The next step is conducting a site analysis to determine the feasibility of building on a particular site. This involves assessing the topography, soil conditions, water drainage, and environmental factors that may affect the construction project. Site analysis also involves checking the availability of utilities, such as water, electricity, and gas. 3. Building codes and regulations. Building codes and regulations are laws that dictate the minimum standards for construction safety and quality. It is essential to adhere to local and national building codes to ensure the safety of the occupants and the durability of the building. Building codes may dictate the height, size, and materials used. 4. Conceptual design. Once the site analysis is complete, the next step is conceptual design. Conceptual design involves creating sketches, drawings, and 3D models to visualize the building design. This stage allows the architects, engineers, and construction team to assess the feasibility of the design and make necessary changes before proceeding to the detailed design. 5. Detailed design. Detailed design involves creating precise drawings and specifications that will guide the construction team during the building process. Detailed design includes technical drawings, building plans, and specifications for materials, fixtures, and finishes. 6. Budget and cost estimation. Budget and cost estimation are critical aspects of planning and design. The construction team must consider the cost of materials, labor, permits, and other expenses associated with building construction. A detailed cost estimate ensures that the project is financially feasible and that the budget aligns with the client's expectations. 7. Sustainability. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in building construction. Sustainable design involves creating buildings that are energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and have a minimal impact on the planet. Sustainable design includes features such as natural lighting, insulation, rainwater harvesting, and solar panels. 8. Communication. Effective communication is crucial during the planning and design stage. The construction team must communicate with the client to ensure that the design aligns with their expectations. The final stage of the construction process is finishing. This involves installing flooring, cabinets, countertops, and other fixtures. The finishing stage is where the building's aesthetic appeal is created, and it is important to choose materials that are both functional and beautiful. Safety considerations. Safety is an essential consideration in building construction. The construction site is a hazardous environment, with heavy equipment, sharp tools, and potential hazards such as falls, electrocution, and fires. Safety is one of the most critical considerations in building construction. Construction sites are inherently hazardous environments that require the construction team to take appropriate measures to ensure the safety of workers and the general public. Here are some essential safety considerations that the construction team should keep in mind during the building process.